Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you guys again. Again, this is Doing Nails quarantined look. Tu sabes, so excuse this. But I think you guys will be okay with the bare-faced Angie. I did my hair for y'all. That was thoughtful. So today's video is pretty quick, pretty simple. It's something that I was looking for on YouTube that I didn't really find as well as I wanted to find it, if that makes sense, which is acrylic swatches. So again guys, acrylic swatches, not gel polish, not nail polish. If you guys are interested in that, let me know down below and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But it was acrylic swatches I did. I did 3 on camera for you guys, but the process would be the same for any other acrylic swatches, which are these. You see a better picture later on. But this is my little ringlet with my swatches. Most of them are polished, and then I started doing acrylics. But that's about it. Don't really gotta ramble. I hope you guys are still staying safe during this whole COVID situation going on. I hope your families are safe, your friends, your loved ones, anyone in general. I hope you guys are staying strong, because I know it's a lot. But as always, the colors, the brands, all that good stuff will be down below in the description box, as well as my Instagram down below, which you can see more business pictures, like makeup pictures, nail pictures, and yeah. So if you follow me on there, I really appreciate it. You can also subscribe to me here if you haven't. Excusame. Alright, so subscribe to me if you haven't. Also hit that notification bell button so you don't miss a video. And that's about it, guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions as always, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay safe. Bye. So starting off, we have this swatch holder. the nail obviously that I do the swatches on, which then goes on to a ring, and they're all nice and compact together. So I get that and I just shape it a little bit down so it's more of a more appealing shape instead of what it comes with. And then obviously you're gonna grab the acrylic that you want to make the swatch out of. And I roughed up the surface the way I were to do with someone's natural nail or someone's tip if I was doing their nails, just to avoid any lifting, because I don't know if that's completely possible or not possible with plastic. So I do that just in case. And I'm just laying down my acrylic the way I would on a client and making sure there's no lumps, no visible area where there is no acrylic. And after I do that, I'm pretty much encapsulate it into clear. This acrylic that I'm using is one by Glam and Glits. The exact color will be down. And the clear that I use to encapsulate it is by Mia Secret. And that's pretty much all I do, guys. So again, step 1 is to take out your swatch stick, I'm gonna call it, I guess. Your swatch stick, and then you're gonna shape it a little bit so that way it's more appealing to your customers when they're looking at it. Then you rough up the surface a bit. I use my 100 side on my 180 file. And then you apply your acrylic, encapsulate it if you have to, if it has pretty chunky glitter like this one did. And then shortly after, you're going to see that I go in with a top coat. But I'll be back with a little more then. And that's Alexi making an appearance. So I'll be back when I have to be. For the purpose of this video, I went in with 3 acrylics, 2 glitters by Glam and Glits. I'll leave the exact shade down below. And then this one is by Nuni Torres, which is his milk color. And I believe I also encapsulated this one, just to be sure, you know. That way when I buffed it a little bit if I had to, the acrylic wouldn't be affected, like the colored acrylic. But it's the same process whether it's glitter or not. I do pretty much the same exact process. After your swatches are done, as you see here, filed and buffed, you go in with the clear coat of your choice. This is a brand new one I just ordered from YoungNails, their top coat. So I just went in with that right after, let it cure for about 60 seconds each. And for the purpose of the swatch and the acrylic showing through the way I want it to, like as powerful as possible, I also did a thin coat of the clear under that swatch as well. You know what I mean? So on top and under. And I cured each side for 60 seconds until they were fully dry. But look at that glitter, guys. Like after the top coat is on and everything, you're also going to see it later on towards the end when I show you the swatches a bit closer. But it's almost like a holographic glitter in both, and I'm just so obsessed with them. I love their consistency too. I totally recommend Glam and Glits.
A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más resuena por la pared creando una canción. No quiero perder el ritmo y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá.
After they are fully cured, I then get my Sharpie. I get one of the fine point ones, and I write down the name, write down the color, as well as the company, obviously. So I put like Glam and Glits, Fairy Dust, and that way I know what I have to restock on or what color to get out of the cabinet. I sound a little out of breath because I'm here kind of struggling with Lexi, but that's the life of a single mother, you know? But that is exactly what I do with the Sharpies, and then you're going to see me put it on the ring with the rest of the swatches, and I'll be back when that's there.
Horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, más y más allá.
So after your 3 swatches are done, you're going to put them on your little ringlet with the rest of your swatches. And you guys are done. So most of these swatches that you see on here are polished swatches. But same thing, the company, the name, the shade, and you're all set for your clients to look at. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.